Okay, it's time now to create a content plan with internal linking structure. Actually, this is referring to the blog post. Okay, here's the tab for this, the blog post content plan. Here's the plan. Okay, and as you can see here, we have here the blog post topics or keywords. Okay, then the searches. We have the blog post development. So it's the content creation process here. Upon completion, the blog post title must be put here, and then also the blog post URL. And then once done with that, establish a linking using this plan. We have a link 1 or link number 1. Actually, we are forming here a silo. Okay, a silo pointing to the home page, which is the link. Actually, a silo here, then the link 2 is pointing to the home page. Okay, this is the first silo. Okay, this is the first silo here. So as you can see here, the post 1, this one, will link to the post URL 2, post 2 will link to post URL 3, and so on until the last post here, which is number 10, will link to the post URL 1. So it forms a cycle or a closed loop. Okay, so the purpose of this silo, this link 1 silo, is to build an internal linking to the home page. So the home page here link to, right, home page URL, and then the keyword. The keyword here to be used must be the target keywords approved by the client here, and the keyword research analysis. So we have the primary keyword. It should be a variation, not only all the time primary keyword. So it's always an much better alternate. Okay, the keywords to be used here must be diversified very well based on the percentages found here in our plan. So let's go to the keyword research and mapping. Okay, here it is. So this is the anchor text ratios. 50% branded, 20% naked. Branded, it's the name of the business, right? For example, WowVisible, that's a brand name. Okay, and then 20% of the links naked, it's the URL. For example, WowVisible.com, or slight variations, we have to put www.wowvisible.com or with HTTPS, then going back to just wowvisible.com. Then 50% generic or other terms, just like click here for more information, right? Or another terms that is not keyword rich or no keywords found in the phrase. The partial match, actually it's a combination of generic and or other terms with the keywords. For example, the target keyword, business coach, for example. So you may a partial match will go like this. For example, click here for business coach. Okay, or there is business coach programs, business coach ideas, just like that. So that's it. Then for the exact match, it's the exact keyword. If the target keyword based on here is, for example, business coach Melbourne, it should be business coach Melbourne. but as you can see here, it's only 5%. So the highest percentage would be branded. Okay, brand name. Talk about brand name. Okay, going back here for the blog post. So most of the time, brand name, then naked URL. Our experts will follow these ratios to make it natural. Okay, target keywords of the link one, it refers here, right? This, whatever you put here, is the target keyword. And then we have here one external authority link. Okay, so it should be a resource link, not a competitor link. For example, business coach. If you would like to find an authority link here, so you may type here business coach. Okay, then you have to check or business coach in Melbourne, for example. What's appearing here? It should not be a competitor. This is competitor, so you don't need to add it. So there's a way, for example, business coach wiki. Okay, Wikipedia. Okay, this one, self growth. Right, self growth is not a competitor. There it's talking about business coaching. Okay, you may add this right here. Our SEO expert will do the research. Put here. It should be an authority site. Okay. How to make sure an authority site? It should have a domain authority more than 40. Okay. Check domain authority. There are several tools that would check domain authority. We'll use this one. So check the domain authority. For this example, self growth. Okay, it's 62, so it's okay. Right, you have to put it here. And for the anchor text, it's up to you, as long as it's generic or other terms. Okay, much better if you are branded. Okay, or else you just apply the ratios here. It's okay. Okay, and then for the status, okay, it's in process. Once completed, meaning the linking, the blog post is already created and the linking is already established. Okay, but if not, it's still in process. Okay, to the next part here is another silo to form for the purpose of helping the service page. So every service page will be helped by internal linking using blog posts. So another silo helping this page 1, another silo helping this page 2, and so on. Okay, so we advise to hit first blog post. What I mean, 100 blog posts, and then regular here, the initial target 100 blog posts in 30 days, then 1 blog post per week. Okay, so once this initial plan, for example 10, we can insert another here and then open here the link, change the link pointing to this one, will point now to 11, right? And then the last 11 will point to 1, right? And the same thing here we can add, because blog posting is a continuous process. So we're looking forward that we can do one blog post per week then in a continuous process. So we'll just insert here. And for the blog post topics or keywords, it should be not the same with the target keywords here, or else there would be a duplicate content, or the theme will be polluted. So the blog post content plan must be an LSI or not closely related to the target keywords. Okay, so we have already tackled about LSI here on the keyword research and analysis, right? So for example, business coach Melbourne, that is the target keyword. Okay, we can go further to the generic also, much broader type of keyword. For example, business coach Melbourne, the generic keyword for that is business. Okay, or we can do the LSI keywords. We use the LSI keywords as we have tackled before. So business coach Melbourne, LSI keywords for that, just like business coach services, right? Business coach programs. Okay, so let's do first the generic or the broader type of keyword. Business coach Melbourne, the target, it's the target keyword. The broader keyword for that is the business coach. Okay, we'll be using the suggestion tool and SEO profiler. So if we type here business, we can get a bunch number of keywords suggestions here. Okay, so small loan business. Okay, you can talk about that. You can make this as a blog topic, right? It's not closely related to business coach, right? What else? Okay, if you have already loan here, you need not to use this again. So avoid creating duplicate blog post topics. Okay, so another, it's all about insurance, right? We can talk about insurance here as a topic. Okay, then what else? Oh, managing a business, right? Don't forget to copy also the searches here, and put it here. Okay, enough for this generic or broader broad keywords rather. Let's go for the LSI keywords. So LSI for business coach Melbourne, as we have tackled before, the business programs, right? Business coach programs. Let's try to put in here. Okay, we have here this one, master's programs in business, right? Okay, we have here this one, right? Good topic for business, for blog posts. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.